Good morning. Randall Crow here with Texas Adjuster Journal. Today we're a contractor, Showtime Exteriors. We're doing electronic interiors with a new TPO roof. We're tearing off the tar and gravel and a modified bitumen. Part of the Dallas 6/9/2019 windstorm event. It's part of that damaged area. This is the design district. It's just south of Dallas, downtown. You can see behind me high rises, downtown Dallas. Anyway, we're tearing off, loading TPO and ISO board insulation. We're going to retrofit this with some thicker insulation. They'll be saving energy the minute we get the roof on, and we should be done by Tuesday. Randall Crow, public adjuster, contractor for Showtime Exteriors. Thank you.